Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So if you have updated your messenger and if this Meta AI is available in your country, probably when you open your messenger, you should see this Meta AI on the search bar or when you tap the search icon. So this is what it looks like when you open your messenger. Now, here's the thing. If you want to turn off this Meta AI or if you want to mute this one, and you will just not want to use this like for a couple of hours or let's just say days, what you're going to do is simply tap this Meta AI icon. And then after you tap this, you should see that I icon or info icon at the top right corner, which is this one. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to tap this. So if you want to know more about this Meta AI, then you can just simply read the following here. But if you really want to mute this, you just have to tap this eye icon, and then you will see the option or feature that says mute. Okay, and then all you have to do is to tap this one. That you will have your choices or options of until how you want this to mute. So for example, if you want to mute this Meta AI for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or like days, everything is up to you. So you can just simply mute this or you can tap this until I change it. Now, if you really want to get read with Meta AI, not just to turn off or mute this one, then I'm going to show you another way on how to get read with this Meta AI. And that is to download the old version of Messenger because in the old version, you cannot see or you cannot use this Meta AI. So, how to do that? You just have to exit your Messenger, go to Google web browser or any web browser, and then you have to search for old version of Messenger here. So I'm going to show you. Tap this Google right here and then kindly type old version of Messenger download or download old version Messenger or old version of Facebook if you want. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to select from any of this Facebook old versions right here. So you just have to click at least one link and you have to scroll down and look for the older version of Messenger or Facebook. And what you're going to do is to download and install it and then open it. You will see that the Meta AI is not available on this version. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.